Right now, Skale Network, ticker Skale, is trading at approximately $0.0308, which reflects a solid 17% surge over the past day. Trading volume has picked up significantly, reaching around $40 million, highlighting renewed investor interest. The circulating supply stands at nearly 5.94 billion SKL out of a maximum of 7 billion, giving it a market cap of about $183 million. It's currently trading well below its all-time high of $1.22, presenting a mix of opportunity and caution. Despite that 17% daily gain, SKL's price remains relatively modest compared to its summer lows near $0.015, showing it's bouncing off those lows with strength. This rebound feels like a classic move from several months of underperformance toward resistance territory. Part of what's driving this uptick isn't necessarily breaking news but more about broader sentiment shift. One analysis marking a 60% spike in mid-August suggested a possible technical reversal following a test of new lows. Although ecosystem updates like a partnership with it remains, a transmedia project building on Skale may have added indirect momentum. Still, it appears traders are waking up to the modular scalability Skale offers. Speaking of developments, Skale's ecosystem has been active. They recently launched a social FI incubator, aiming to nurture viral social dApps. They also onboard the It Remains Transmedia project, launched the custom chain Fairbuilt for DoFi and AI, and unveiled the Calypso Hub, supporting NFTs, gaming, marketplaces, and AI-powered applications, all designed to run gas-free. Q2 2025 stats showed over 340 million transactions on the network, saving users nearly $746 million in gas fees, and Skale added 10 new gaming, AI, and infrastructure partners. Add in upgrades like Portal 4.1 and integrations with Communitas for Web3 crowdfunding, and it's clear the ecosystem is expanding in tangible ways. That's not hype, it's real activity. Turning to what the future might hold, a number of projections exist. Conservative outlooks via CoinCodex anticipate SKL in the $0.0266 to $0.0289 range through late 2025, suggesting minimal upside. Binance user-derived forecasts predict a modest climb from around $0.027 in 2026 to approximately $0.034 by 2030. On the bullish end, historical cycle models propose average prices near $0.0275 in 2025, increasing to $0.0337 in 2027, with gradual growth through $0.0348 in 2029. Some incredibly optimistic forward projections even envision SKL at $1 plus by 2025, peaking above $2 by 2030, but those would require mammoth adoption and dramatic cycles, not realistic for most investors. Putting all that together, a short-term target in the $0.038 to $0.05 range isn't out of the question if momentum holds. In a more sustained rally tied to ecosystem gains, testing 6 to 8 cents could happen, but only in bull market conditions. Medium term, a more probable stretch is toward 4 to 5 cents. Long-term upside beyond a few multiples remains speculative. So is Skale a smart investment? It's less speculative than meme coins and more grounded than early DeFi tokens. The project has real gaming, AI, and fintech infrastructure being built, plus gas-free custom chains. But volatility remains high, and moving from 3 cents to 8 cents or beyond depends on adoption and developer traction, not just hype. In summary, Skale is rebounding, trading near $0.031, with renewed activity and ecosystem momentum. Short-term moves toward 5 to 6 cents are possible. Medium-term might see 4 to 5 cents. Long-term highs beyond that hinge on sustained adoption. This is a project worth watching if you're comfortable with risk, but stay grounded in fundamentals and execution over speculation.